Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the best high ticket affiliate programs that you can get into right now. Essentially I'm going to be explaining what a high ticket affiliate program is, share with you the top 5 niches in my opinion for high ticket affiliate programs with examples of programs that I use myself, and some additional tips on how you can maximize your conversions and make the most money out of those programs. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So before getting started, what is a high ticket affiliate program to begin with? And for that, high ticket refers to the highest paying affiliate commissions. This means that you could be getting a very high commissions rate, something like over 50%, or a high total dollar amount with commissions in the hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Some high ticket programs also offer recurring commissions, so if you sign someone up for a monthly subscription program, you earn every month as long as they stay a customer. Whereas other programs provide lifetime commissions, where you refer one customer and then earn on all of the purchases that they make forever. And that is way better than Amazon's 24-hour cookie. So with the right promotion strategy, these types of affiliate programs can become your primary income stream. But for now, let's get into my top 5 favorite high ticket affiliate programs or niches. And on number 1, we have Shopify. Shopify is the largest plug-and-play e-commerce platform. The online retail space is exploding as more businesses move online, and Shopify is leading the way. You can earn up to $150 from getting someone to get into the basic plan depending on their regions or countries. You can check how the commission structure works for Shopify and you can just imagine how profitable this can be. And it makes sense that they can pay so much. A merchant who builds their full e-commerce store on Shopify is highly unlikely to leave, unless the platform is truly terrible, which Shopify clearly is not. And to promote this kind of offer, I suggest having a website, blog, or social media presence focused in the e-commerce, online business, make money online, or tech kind of niche. And you can make posts on how to set up an online store. Something like that would be perfect. You've got YouTube step-by-step tutorials also work extremely well. Shopify also provides a solid 30-day cookie window, giving you plenty of time to earn credit for your referral. So definitely go ahead and check out Shopify's affiliate program. It's for sure worth looking into. Number 2 on the list, we have health and supplements. This is another industry with excellent affiliate potential. Again, profit margins here enable big commissions for affiliates. And one of my top recommendations is FanFuel. They have all the trendy supplements, fat burners, pre-workouts, testosterone support, and their affiliate program is outstanding. First of all, FanFuel supplements actually convert customers extremely well. They put in the effort into branding, landing pages, and overall user experience. And as a new affiliate, you start by earning up to 40% commissions on various products. And once you have some solid sales going on for you, you can always negotiate your commissions up. And this really applies to any affiliate program. Also with FanFuel, you get lifetime affiliate commissions. So for example, if you refer someone and they buy a product from your link today and buy again in 3 months or even 3 years, you will still keep earning the credit for every purchase that they do forever. And there is also a tiered commission system, so if the person that you referred tells their friend about their great results with the supplement and they also end up purchasing, then you earn that commission too. And as you can imagine, everything can compound over time extremely well. So in my opinion, FanFuel definitely is worth exploring, especially if you're in this space. Now another niche that is considered high ticket affiliate is web hosting. And this is mainly due to very high commission rates and sometimes with recurring billing. Now chances are if you Google best hosting for something like WordPress hosting or e-commerce hosting, you will likely see the Bluehost recommended, and that's because they pay huge affiliate commissions. But bigger payouts don't always equal better service. And that's why I prefer to promote WPX hosting instead for several key reasons. And the first reason is that I personally use WPX for my own site. Their service and performance is exceptional. And second, while their base commission rate is lower than some hosts, the sales volume make up for it. At 70% per new customer out the gate, I do very well in overall earnings. And third, I feel good referring my audience to a quality company, so if someone reads my content on the best WordPress hosting, I don't want to betray their trust. So for the best success promoting WPX or any host, I suggest creating hosting review blogs, comparison articles, and YouTube videos. Additionally, WPX provides a 60-day cookie window, giving you plenty of time to get credit for the lead that you initiated. So if you're into the web hosting space or you want to get into it, then this is a great option. Next up on the list, we have Tier 2 affiliate commissions. Tier 2 affiliate commissions provide an exciting opportunity to amplify your earnings, and this is essentially when you refer someone to an affiliate program as an affiliate. And the idea is that they then make commissions of their own while you also make a percentage of their earnings. One of my favorite tier 2 programs is Flex Offers. They have hundreds of great offers across many niches. And by referring someone to join Flex Offers as an affiliate, you will earn on any sales that they initiate as well. So their earnings stay completely intact while you earn more passively. And the better affiliate you are with Flex Offers, the higher tier 2 commission rates that you can climb. So if you do $1,000+ in monthly sales, the tier 2 income gets significant very fast. Some other alternatives to tier 2 networks that you can consider would be Max Bounty, Affiliates, and Share Your Sale. So for anyone involved in internet marketing, affiliate marketing, or affiliate SEO promoting, then Flex Offers tier 2 program is a no-brainer. And that will be a wrap on the top 4 high-ticket affiliate programs in my opinion across various hot niches. Those offers provide exceptional affiliate commissions while delivering immense value. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.